stands as an icon for the brand and a statement of who we are. At the heart of the G90 lies the simple belief: true luxury is never created by addition.